Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about 9 unique ways you can grow your channel. So unique and different. That means we are not going to talk about make a good title, make a good thumbnail, make quality content. We're going to talk about something different. And this is going to be a very powerful video because there's 9 unique points that I'm mentioning. Like I said, not many people are using it. If you can use it in your channel, then it's gonna help you grow your channel very fast. And why you should listen to me, because even though this is a new channel, I have a couple of other channels which have thousands of subscribers. Plus I have been in digital marketing space for over 10 years, and I have a 6-figure digital agency based in Australia, and we manage the clients and we help them with SEO and website design and digital marketing. We specialize in search engine, and YouTube is, by the way, a search engine. Both Google and YouTube consider over 200 factors before they promote your video, whether they rank your video, suggest your videos to others. These are over 200 factors that they consider, and we specialize in both these search engines. And that is the reason I started this channel, because I want to share all those tips with you so you can grow your channel as well. And in this channel, we share a lot of SEO tips, YouTube tips, and how to grow your website traffic, how to grow your business and your blog. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you are not hitting the bell button, then you might miss out any videos. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you do not miss out my future videos. Now let's get started with the 9 unique points that you can do today to grow your channel fast. My number 1 tip is use big YouTubers' name in your videos. Use the name in your title, in maybe put their image in the thumbnail. Make sure it's a genuine content based on them. That means you may be analyzing their content, you may be analyzing how they grew their channel, how they created a business, any kind of maybe a documentary, maybe a biography. So anything genuine that you can create around those people, maybe once in a while, then it can help you get more clicks on that video and help you grow more subscribers and grow your channel traffic and visits and views. Why? Because people are acquainted with their names and acquainted with their faces. That means when they see their face, when they see their name in the title, they might click on that video and you might end up getting a subscriber from there. My number 2 tip is let your first few videos be your promotional videos. That means you can go out and promote those videos everywhere. If you do not get the subscribers, then it's possible that you will quit YouTube after some time because of the lack of motivation. So to keep that motivation, you need the views and subscribers in the first 3 to 6 months. And that is why I'm saying your first few videos, make sure you go out and promote them crazy at all places. And I have discussed in my other videos how to promote, how to create those videos, how to get fast subscribers. So go watch those videos. But basically what I'm trying to say is your first few videos, you have to go out there and use all those techniques to promote, because you need those subscribers to keep the motivation going to make those first few videos. So guys, rather than asking people about, requesting people about subscribing to your channel, rather than pushing people to go check out your channel or requesting them to please subscribe, rather than doing that, just follow these tips and I'm covering in my channel, and you can grow organically. You can promote in a much better way rather than requesting people. So follow the tips, watch the videos carefully. I have shared pretty much all my secrets in my videos, and I'm going to share more secrets in future videos. I'm sharing my last 10 years of experience in my videos. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button. My number 3 tip is pick the trendy topics. Now I know you're passionate about your nature and your topic, but can you mix up the content? Is there any trending topic going on at the moment? Can you cover a report or documentary style video or a quick video on any trending topic? So in tech, there's always something latest going on. In my industry, digital marketing, and if you are in the same industry, you know that there's always things changing. Make sure if you're in gaming channel, is there any latest game going on? If there is any, if you're in tech, any latest device or gadget. So try to pick up trending topics once in a while, because trendy topics can get you the views that you're really looking for. My number 4 tip is commenting on other YouTubers channels and be smart about it. Make sure you have the notification bell on for the channels which are similar in your niche or your industry, which are big YouTubers, and whenever they upload a new video, you will straight away get the notification and you go out there straight away and comment there. Watch the video and comment. I'm not saying just straight away comment. So watch the video and comment, make a good comment, good valuable content, and that means you will get more likes and you will get above the other comments, and you will get more people looking at you. If you have a nice profile pic, then people will look at your name and your channel and you will get more exposure. Speaking of that, in this video, in the comment section, leave your comment, tell me about your channel, and I will go and check out your channel and I might give you a feedback as well. And let's talk in the comment section. Leave a comment something like I make videos on, and then tell me what kind of videos you are making in this video comment section, and I will go and check out your video and maybe even leave a feedback. But don't leave a link in the comment because you might fall into spam. So don't say my channel or my link or something like that, because YouTube's algorithm will catch it and put you in the spam. But basically you can talk something like I make videos on. So if you write it in the comment section, I will go and check out your video. So be smart about the comments and attract more eyeballs towards your channel if you're smart about your comments, and go comment as soon as possible in big YouTubers channels. My number 5 tip is make a community, a small community around your channel. That means make a WhatsApp group, maybe where you can add your friends, where you can add your family, and the moment you release a new video, you make sure you notify them through WhatsApp. And another pro tip here is do not give them the link of the new video. Tell them to search that topic and your name in YouTube search. Why? Because external traffic is not as important as internal traffic. So if people are coming from YouTube itself, that's more important than people, because external traffic, YouTube understands that you can go out and promote and give the link to anyone, and people are coming from outside. It's not completely bad for you. It's okay to get external traffic, but internal traffic is more important. So if you're sharing, make a community, WhatsApp, Facebook group, maybe Facebook messages, and add few people from your friends and family that you think will watch your video. And slowly, of course, from your channel as well, you might be building some community, right? So when you have more, your videos are getting more views, then bring people to Instagram, bring people to maybe your WhatsApp, and then keep them in the loop, keep them in touch with you, and every time you release a video, you notify them. Once it gets a good watch time within first couple of hours of uploading, then YouTube will push out to other user as well. So this can be a catalyst, that can be an initiating point where it can boost your video within the first couple of hours, which are the most important hours. So make sure you keep a close community in your chat, in your WhatsApp, in your Messenger, and notify them as soon as you release the video. My number 6 point is start a Facebook group. Now, if your channel is on a popular topic, it can be a popular game, it can be just gaming in general, it can be tech, it can be digital marketing, something related to business. So anything which is a popular topic, why not create a Facebook group on that? Because when you make a Facebook group, people are naturally searching on Facebook for the groups related to those topics. So they might come across your group and they might end up joining, and from there on you can build your own community there and promote your channel, your videos, and in future maybe you have some business around your YouTube and you can promote that thing there as well. So basically build a community there with the Facebook group. Naturally you might get a lot of people joining it, and from there on you can promote your channel. My number 7 tip is it's a very interesting and unique point. Be friends with other YouTubers, and I'm not talking about collaboration where people make videos together. I'm just talking to be friends. Make sure you go out there and comment on new YouTubers, right, who are only 100 subscribers, 200, 500, 1000 subscribers. They will reply to you, they will be friends with you, they will talk to you on Instagram. So when you are friends with other YouTubers, you can share your ideas, you can share the views, thoughts, and you both can motivate each other. And motivation is a big thing which will stop you from quitting from YouTube, right? I have made friends with some of the other YouTubers who are new, who are experienced YouTubers. Some of my clients I've been helping for last few years, so they are all in touch with me. I talk to them, we all keep motivating each other, we share thoughts and ideas, and I also let them know when I upload a new video, so that really helps keep things going. So make sure you make some connections in the YouTube itself rather than outside YouTube. My number 8 point is learn the art of storytelling. Storytelling is a very important skill. If you can do that in your video, let's say you are telling your own story. For example, one of the video I was telling in my other video where I was telling about how to quit your job and how to start a business, and in this video I was telling you about how I ended up creating a 6-figure digital agency in Australia, starting from scratch to a successful digital agency. So I was telling a story in that video, and that would hook the people, and I have one of the best watch time in that video. That means people watched that video till the end. As I saw in the analytics. So is that something you can do? Can you do a kind of storytelling in your video? And that is why vloggers do really well, because when they start the video, straight away they're telling a story about their family, about the people in their life, kind of the video starts with a story, and people are hooked in that video, and they keep watching till the end because they want to know what happens all the way till the end. And is this something you can do as well? For example, Casey Neistat, Flying Beast, all these people try to cover a story in each of the video. And once they start a story, people don't want to leave the story in the middle. So they will give you more watch time. So learn the art of storytelling. My number 9 point is the most important one, and like I said, I always keep the best for the last, and that is make a blog. Blog is very important thing. What happens is, if you can make a good blog around that particular video, maybe you don't have to make a blog for every single video, but for the important ones, make sure you have a blog. Put some really good quality text on that, do some SEO on your blog, and because of SEO, that blog can rank on page 1 of Google. And if that blog ranks page 1 of Google, that means people will naturally come. There's a lot of traffic coming to your blog, and you have of course embedded your video in that blog, and the embedded views are counted as well as part of your channel. So if people come from Google, they land onto your blog and watch your video, that will increase the exposure to your channel. Trust me, I have whenever I search for any long tail keyword, then I have come across a lot of videos either directly in Google, or I have come across the blogs where YouTubers have embedded their videos in the blog itself. And then I checked out their channel as well after that, after reading that blog. So if your blog is good, the people will go out to back to your YouTube and check out your channel and maybe subscribe to you as well. So that's a very creative and that's a very tricky way and a very good way and sustainable way to grow your channel and get more exposure to your channel. I've been doing SEO for over 10 years and I'm covering a lot of SEO tips as well. So basically YouTube and SEO tips in my channel. So go watch my other videos where I've covered how to grow your blog, how to write a blog that ranks #1 in Google. And if you follow those tips, you will pretty much know exactly what to do to grow your blog. Now, as next, I recommend you to go watch my whole YouTube How to Grow on YouTube playlist, because every single video is unique. I'm not repeating anything in those videos. Every single video is packed with a lot of value. So go watch the YouTube How to Grow on YouTube playlist in my channel. And if you are into blogging and SEO, I have some videos on SEO and there's a lot more videos coming in future. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions, either leave it in the comments or you can also ask me in the Instagram account. You can watch those other videos now and I will see you in my next video.